Every day, India's UPI processes over 640 million transactions, more than Visa's daily volume. Yet most people still think it's just an app. It's 7:30 in the morning. A college student buys chai at a street stall. She scans a QR code, taps her phone, and walks away. 5 seconds later, the vendor's phone vibrates. The money is already in his bank account. Behind that 5-second interaction, a national payment network just executed a real-time financial transaction. The request moved from the student's bank through NPCI's switching system to the vendor's bank with authentication, risk checks, and settlement completed in seconds. No card network, no wallet balance, just direct bank-to-bank transfer. Before UPI, digital payments in India were fragmented. Cards were expensive, wallets didn't talk to each other, small merchants were largely excluded. So, India designed UPI as public financial infrastructure, a shared rail instead of a private product. 3 engineering choices made UPI scale nationally. First, open APIs any regulated company could build on the network. Second, full interoperability. Every bank and every app uses the same protocol. Third, real-time settlement. No batching, no clearing delays. This allowed dozens of apps to compete at the surface, while the infrastructure remained neutral and stable underneath. During the COVID lockdowns, when physical cash circulation collapsed, UPI volumes surged. Kirana stores, pharmacies, delivery workers, many operated almost entirely on UPI. The system stayed online. Today, a roadside vendor in a small town can accept digital payments using nothing more than a printed QR code. Those transactions create a formal financial record. That record enables access to credit, insurance, and the broader economy. UPI is now the world's largest real-time payment system by transaction volume. Governments and central banks across Asia, Africa, and Latin America are studying its architecture as a template for their own payment systems. This is what population-scale financial infrastructure looks like. In the next chapter, the story of how India built it. Stay tuned.